everyone, today I'm going to unbox my new purchases from Chanel. Yeah, so these are all my purchases from Chanel Cosmetics. So first we have this hydrating cream from the Hydra Beauty line, and it's just a normal hydrating cream for your day-to-day use. It's nothing that serious. It's got a very light and hydrating texture, as it explains, and as you can see here, it's a really nice size as well. And you can open it and see the texture as well. Obviously has the lid to protect and kind of like keep the texture smooth overall. And I'm just gonna try a little on my hand as here. Yeah, it's a very light and creamy texture. It's very hydrating. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this and move on to our next option, which is this new Chance Eau Tendre perfume from Chanel. And as you can see, it's this really nice pink color. I bought this because I really like floral perfumes, and this one has really nice floral notes, as well as kind of being a very light and feminine scent. Yeah, as you can see, it's 100 ml the size, and I think it only came in this size, so there wasn't another choice for me to get a bigger one. But this is how it looks like. It is really round shape. Try a little bit on my hand so I can tell you how it smells like. As I said, it has really nice floral and feminine notes on your skin, and it's a really nice choice for your day-to-day perfume. Yeah, this also has a really nice cool and summery scent to it, so you can use it in summer as well, and it's not that heavy at all. And next we have another perfume, which is the new Coco Mademoiselle perfume. This one is the Crush Absolute. I believe on the website maybe it's not updated yet, but we kind of were able to get this before the actual release date of the perfume. So as you can see, it's got really nice packaging here, the gold and everything. And you remove the cover and you have this plastic packaging here. This one has a more feminine scent to it, like the other Coco Mademoiselle perfumes. It's very feminine and very kind of like attractive and charming smell. But I feel like it's a very softer smell than the previous Coco Mademoiselle perfumes that were released. So as you can see, this is the case. And also this one only came in this same size, which is 100 ml. And here is the perfume. I'm going to try a little bit on my hand on the other side so that we can talk about the scent. So, as I said, it's a more feminine scent than the Chance one, but it's also a softer smell than the other Coco Mademoiselle perfumes. So we're going to move on from the skincare and perfume part of our video to more of a makeup section. So first we have a brush that's used for blush, and this one is the number 110 brush, and this one is useful for powder brushes. As you can see, it has this kind of leather-like cover as well. It's really nice, and as you can see here, I struggled to open this a little, but as you can see, it's a really nice brush for powder blushes. It's a really good quality as well. It's kind of soft. So next we have this lipstick from the Rouge Coco line, and this one is in the shade 134, which is called Edinburgh, I think. And I don't really remember the shade of this lipstick, but it's a really nice texture. It's a really soft and nice texture, and it's also more product compared to the Coco Flash ones that we saw earlier. And as you can see, this is the color. It's kind of a really nice pinkish color. It also has kind of tones of red as well, a little. And lastly, we have this long-lasting eyeliner in the shade 20 Espresso. As you can kind of guess, it's like a dark brown color that you can use to define the eyes as well as, you know, an eyeliner. This is how it looks like, and for the texture, it's really soft and really buttery. It flows really nicely on your skin. It's a really nice color. This eyeliner is very long lasting and waterproof as well. As you can see, it doesn't smudge at all on your skin. And then lastly, we have the gifts that we got with our purchase. First, we got this sticker collection from the Crush Absolute, the new perfume that we just opened together. I'm not going to open it further because I don't want the glue to dry. And then we have this kind of like a pouch of gifts that we received, and we're going to open it together. So first, we received this. I feel like this is a charm, like a kind of a pendant kind of charm, and we're going to open it to see what's inside. So this one again is from the new Coco Mademoiselle Crush Absolute perfume, and it's a charm that you can hang in your car or on your bag. It's a really cute thing to add to your day-to-day life. And lastly, we have this another kind of skincare from the Sublimage collection of Chanel. This one is a really small tube. It's the Ultimate Cream, the Universal Texture, and it's just a small sampler of the cream. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and hope to see you soon for the next one. Bye!